In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix error UI-800-3. Let's get started. This error usually means that the data stored on your streaming device has become outdated or corrupted, preventing the Netflix app from loading properly. First, you'll need to click on More Details or More Info on the error screen if that option is available. Then choose Reload Netflix, Reset or Shine Out. Once you are signed out, shine back in with your Netflix account and check if the error is gone. Next, restart your streaming device by turning it off completely, unplugging it from the power outlet for at least 1 minute, then plugging it back in. You should also restart your modem and Wi-Fi router by unplugging them for about 30 seconds before reconnecting them. Make sure your device software and the Netflix app are updated to the latest version. If you are using custom DNS setting, a VPN or a proxy service, disable them and restore your default network settings. On devices like Amazon Fire TV, uninstalling and reinstalling the Netflix app may also resolve the issue, while some smart TVs, such as Samsung models, may require resetting the Smart Hub. If you have tried all these steps and Netflix error UI-800-3 still appears, contact your device manufacturer or Netflix support for further assistance. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.